What is up, y'all? Just gonna do a little update video on all the ecospheres. Let's get into it. So first off, we have an ecosphere that is gonna be completely unrecognizable. And this one is actually the Winter Creek ecosphere, the only one I did a video on. So over the few months, it's been maybe 3.5 months, it has gone through stages of clearing up, everything died off, the plants and all that. And it's been going through different kinds of moss and algae in here. So it's looking pretty cool right now. But as you can see, everything's dead. Got like a root right there. Bunch of algae going around. A lot of surface algae, as you can see. But it's doing halfway decent. It still looks pretty cool. A lot of stuff floating around. And it's just interesting that I went from a small little ecosystem that was somewhat flourishing to something that's now pretty much completely dead. So on to the next one. So this was a pretty interesting experiment that I did here. This was actually simply another creek ecosphere, but instead of plants in here, I just put some moss and some dirt. And as you can see, the moss has started to conform to the water type, and it's like reaching up. Like these little vine things here that are poking out of the water were not there before. This moss was just submerged. It was starting to die off, but then it started to adapt to the water. And I don't know, man, this looks sick. I love this one, honestly. There's some algae that's formed at the bottom. Seems like the nutrients in here are being used up pretty well. But yeah, it's just interesting to see how the moss changed when it was just completely in the water for a long time. Now I saw one little organism in here. I'm not sure what it was, but it was like a little worm, and it was attached to one of the vines, would you call it. So I don't really know what that was, but it's pretty cool to see. And besides that, no more activity in this one. I did not make a video on this one. And actually, that might be something right there. This was like a terrarium one that I built, and it just used some little sticks and stuff, some stones. Pretty much the same thing as this one right here. Both of them I haven't seen anything in, but that could be completely because of just the density of like the moss and stuff in here. But it seems like the moss is alive and everything seems to be doing good in both this one and the other one. So yeah, quick little video. Trying to get out, doing some fishing, but as you can see, big snowstorm again. So I'm trying to get out the next few weeks, get some fishing done. And yeah, that's all for today. Make sure you like if you liked, drop a little comment, subscribe. Peace out.